Kaeser Compressors is widely known for significantly reducing our customers' energy consumption with our highly efficient products and our superior compressed air system designs. On top of that, we invest heavily in sustainability in our own operations. For several years, we ensured we only purchased power from 100% renewable sources, but now Kaeser has taken the next big step toward a sustainable future with the installation of a large solar power system at our U.S. headquarters in Virginia that is projected to generate over 1.2 million kilowatt-hours of electricity in the first year. This will meet our facility needs, power multiple EV charging stations for employees, and put power back into the grid. At the same time, cutting CO2 emissions by nearly 900 metric tons. Additionally, our new Pacific Distribution Center near Los Angeles also has a photovoltaic system to minimize the external electrical demand for that location. To put it in perspective, the clean energy generated could charge well over 100 million smartphones, providing a clear vision of how renewable energy can power our lives. And at our main manufacturing plant, every Kaeser product is made using clean energy. These solar initiatives are just some examples of Kaeser's ongoing dedication to sustainability. From product design to manufacturing to sales and service, we prioritize minimizing our environmental impact to help ensure a healthy, more stable planet. For more information about Kaeser Compressors and our commitment to sustainability, please visit us.kaeser.com/sustainability.